from wherever you are watching us from. My good name is Betty Kavata. I'm a content creator from Nairobi, Kenya, East Africa. Welcome you all to my channel. If you are new here, kindly hit that subscribe button. We are road to 100 subscribers. So for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back to watch my videos. So today we are going to Gatudu Falls. So come along with me as we go tour this place together with my family. So you are feel much welcome and continue subscribing to my channel. Karibuni sana. These are my people, my family. We are going with them to the waterfall. Come along with us. Look at the beautiful places we have here, the beautiful sceneries. Look at the sun setting. Look at the vegetation around. Say hi to my people.
Hi guys.
That is one of the babies I have in this. Come here, baby. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hello, guys.
Hello guys.
Please subscribe
Please subscribe
to Betty Kavata YouTube channel.
to Betty Kavata YouTube channel.
Yes. Sema hi. Kababa sema hi.
Hi.
Andy sema hi.
Hi. Hi guys.
This is my sister-in-law. Say hi to my sister-in-law.
Hello.
And the baby boy. This is us when we are arriving.
Magic.
Look at the beautiful sceneries we have here.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
We are here.
Bye.
Guys, we have arrived at the waterfall. So in the count of 1, 2, 3. Look at the beautiful scenery.
We are gonna go down there.
We are going down there. So come along with us.
Where?
It's getting really crazy, guys. Come, Mureu.
Teremsha mguu hapa. Wewe pole pole. Tena hamwezi mnasimama kwa. Simameni hapo mteremshe. Hey.
So this is everyone trying to cross, guys. Yeah? See mchezo here. We are heading to the falls. You can't see it from here. It's so steep, guys. I'm like up here. So they successfully managed to get down. So guys, they are coming down. I'm already down. I don't know if you can hear me because of the waterfalls. I'm really shouting. So here they are. And this is the waterfall, guys. We are up. So this is the falls. Finally we are here. Look at that, guys. Not a big waterfall, but it's so good. And there's a river that is flowing below it. Yeah. Wow, look at that, guys. Look. That will do waterfalls to the world. Guys, if you are bored and you want to relax, this is the environment. This is where you belong. Look at that. From up there. Look at that. Going downward. Look. Going downward. That other side. Look at the vegetation. Look at the trees. The sun setting. Let's go closer. Here we are. My family. Guys, this is us coming from the waterfall. Hey guys, we have enjoyed to the fullest. Boy, say hi.
Hi.
Hi people.
Yeah.
Sema hi people.
Hi people. Sema tumeenjoy.
Sema.
Tumeenjoy. Hi guys.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share.
Yes, that's it. This is us coming from the waterfall. We have enjoyed. So remember to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, see you.
Love you so much.
We love you so much. much. Keep on subscribing. Mwah.